All right, this is to help from the first assignment from 2.4, number 3. Our goal is to get it to standard form with integer coefficients. So standard form, one more time, has y and x on the same side. And integer just means non-decimal, non-fraction. So like -1, 2, 7, those are all integers. All right, so for this first one, to get x to the other side, I'm going to rewrite it over here. I would -1/2 x from both sides so that it'll be eliminated from the right-hand side. So I'll have -1/2 x plus y. I'm kind of writing it in a slightly different order there. But this side, all that's left is -2. And then the trick is, if I don't want a fraction, I want to make this an integer, 1 divided by 2. So we can cancel out the divide 2 by multiply by 2. So we get -x plus 2y equals -4. All right. And again, I think I mentioned this in class where you might, depending on how you do your steps, you might get a slightly different answer where this is reversed. So like +x, -2y, and +4, right? That's really the same answer. If you take this equation times -1, you'll get that second equation. All right, second problem, letter B, is a little more straightforward because there's no fraction part. So all we have to do is add 7x's. And so we'll get 7x plus y equals -9, and that's it. That's standard form. All right, hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thanks for watching.